You'll have love at first sight with the 2020 Nissan Altima. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This well-equipped Altima delivers big on style and substance, spacious comfort, active safety and infotainment tech, available all-wheel drive and athletic performance set this family-friendly midsize sedan apart from the competition. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, power driver's seat, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, wheel covers, four-wheel disc brakes. Feel relaxed and confident behind the wheel of this stylish Altima. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.